today I would like to explain you a bit how to use reverse ripple for your samba. So as you know, in your body, you can move, of course, like a one piece is the whole body weight, but actually you can create a lot of also rippling effects. So there is a two type of body waves exist. So number one is actually the classic body wave, which travels from down till up. So this is, people use it all the time, but there is also another one which travels from down up, from up to down, and from down up. So there are two ripples, and that reverse ripple, which actually travels from the floor into the body, into the head, is very actually useful for a samba. So for example, if you start your botafogo and you have your rhythm bounce moving your body here, very good. So after that, just to move forward with the spine like in rumba or cha-cha, it wouldn't be as character for the samba. So what we try to use here is actually use a little bit sense of body ripple, which will take you to the next step. So how to do it? So first of all, of course, you do it, you start it in your knee, so you push your hip forward and up, push your knee forward and up, then you push your hip forward and up, then you have your chest, then you have your head, almost feeling like you're throwing up, and that will create the next step. So in this case, your movement will have that very samba wavy feel, which is very, very character. And let's say if I start samba, I like to use a regular ripple, which is the chest, tummy, hip, knees as a build up. But on the way out, I like to use a reverse ripple. Not every step you can use it, but most of the step which has a bounce action and therefore they're not traveling much, it's very, very good to use that reverse ripple. So for example, let's take a look on the volta. Let's say we cross here, and instead of just going flat for the next, on the first volta, on the way out, we can use that principle of the reverse ripple. We can charge our knees, charge our hips into the chest, and they get into the next step through using that wavy feel, and that will create a huge difference. And remember, when we dance, is actually you want to use as much as possible body, so dance doesn't look like it's only the legs. And using those ripples not is only fun, but it's actually have a great appearance, great look, and it really will feel and look like samba. So please join my Dance with Oleg website for more secrets and helpful tips. Enjoy. See you.